How to use Zepto Wallet Cache. So to do this, you can always download your mobile application, right? And by the way, this is only available in India, so you can't use this application anywhere. Now create an account. You can just go to login here and just enter your phone number, click on continue, and only if you have an Indian number, then only you will able to get the access. Now launch the Zepto app, navigate to the wallet section, choose this option to add money to your wallet. You may need to link a bank account or use another payment method. Specify the amount you wish to add and confirm the transaction. Browse through the available products on the app, select items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. Go to your cart and click on checkout. When prompted for your payment, select Zepto Wallet Cash as your payment option. Review your order and confirm the payment using your wallet balance. If you encounter a problem like this, wallet option not showing or cash not working, ensure that your location is not serviceable by Zepto for now. Make sure you have the latest version, and if any issue persists, you can call their customer section, and usually they will inform you why the Zepto wallet is not working in your location. Thanks for watching.